Today we're gonna make coconut macaroons.
So we're going to make two
kinds. First is
macaroons with
without flowers and with flowers. The coconut, some condensed milk, 1 egg, some butter, and sugar. First we put the butter, and then now we smush it with soft it with. Don't worry if it's too soft with a fork. Next, the brown sugar. I think you need to put all of it in. The egg next. And wait, oops. They didn't shoot. Oh, sorry. We did shoot my egg, so my mom cleaned it. So just nothing to mix now. Wow! When we put the egg, cool. Look guys, that's so cool. And then condensed milk. Oops, you almost spilt it. Ooh. Now we need to mix it well and then add the coconut. Now, if you're done mixing well, put a lot of your coconut. But you need this to help it make. So you need to put in this container. This is a little mini pan and a little cupcake cutie. And this is the original one. Find my hat.
Yeah, that's the regular one. So you need to do like the mini cupcakes liner. You can also use the bigger ones if you don't have the small ones. So
Mommy,
this is the small
these.
ones and the big ones. So once you have mixed it well, it's better to oil the cupcake liners.
If you don't have cupcake cleaners, just use butter instead.
Oh.
So now you need to scoop the butter up. I already put some because I was too excited. Let's put it here.
You can put it on the next
Whoa, one. Big scoop, big scoop.
Okay, good.
We made 24 cupcakes.
And then you have to bake it.
For
how long? 25 to 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
For how hot? 320 degrees
20 degrees
Fahrenheit.
Dun, 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 dun. I have a special guest now. It's Rafa. Hi guys.
Who is that?
Rafa.
Can I see?
Hi.
Oh, he's got a band-aid.
There's too much holes on him. So we're gonna make macaroons again.
This time with
flour.
So what do we need?
Flour, coconut, sugar, vanilla.
What kind of sugar?
What sugar? Vanilla. Magic apita.
Magic what?
Powder.
Baking powder.
Melted butter. Some condensed milk. And some eggy.
Okay.
What do we put in first, Kelly? I don't know. Rest the eggs until frothy. You need to put sugar first. So first the sugar, like Rafa said. And then what do we need? Hello? And this. Now we need to put vanilla and then condensed milk. So first I'm gonna add this. Be slowly with this a bit. After and now you need to and be careful and baking powder and flour and then sift. And when it's all done, baby mix it. I don't know what to do next. I think I'm gonna mix it. Add the coconut and soak for 5 minutes. Whoa. Now you need to whisk. Can I have a ton? Okay. What? I thought that was magic. Woo. Coconut. I love coconut. 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 I love coconut. Me too. You know, guys, Rafa's not here because she is in the. She's showering soon. We need to bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. We're gonna do verses now.
So this one is the macaroons with
Flour.
and this is the one without the flour. Now someone poked those. I don't know who.
Me.
So you're gonna try the one with the flour.
Yeah. I'm gonna eat the top first. This?
Still hot?
No, I feel like crunchy.
It's crunchy.
Yeah.
Can I taste this one? It's good.
Yum, yum. It tastes like pancakes. I already tried it and I like it too.
And can you try that one without the flour?
This is good too. So they're both good.
This is more light and airy because there's flour. And this one is like really pure coconut. Oh, desiccated coconut.
No.
So which one do you like best?
This one and this one.
Both? If you really like a pure coconut taste, go for the non-flour. But not very strong coconut taste, you can go for the flour version.
If you want to make both and see what you want to make, like always, like this one, or you want to make that one always. Thank you for watching. Hope you like my cooking shows. Watch my other videos with. There's so much. Play pretend, cooking shows,